Hello, Joe the Auto Guy, coming with another video for you on our 2022 Highlander. Some people have asked this question. I also had to look it up because the owner's manual doesn't quite tell you too easily on the one we have. But we're obviously in Minnesota. You're gonna want to use your remote start, so you can hook it up through your phone, but there is a way to do it with the key fob. We have with the remote key fob. There's no remote start button on it, so what you're actually going to do is very simple, and I'll show you how to do it right now. All right, so we have our 2022 Toyota Highlander. I just got out of the car, so the headlights are still on, but the vehicle is off. So the reason you want to do your remote start, obviously, to get the car warmed up. Note, it will only run for 10 minutes on the remote start, and if you open any doors, Toyota, for some reason, the car will shut off the remote start. It will shut the engine off. You'll have to restart it with a key fob to get in the car. No one can just jump into your car and take off with it. But all you're gonna do is hit the lock button twice within 2 seconds, and then hold it for 3 seconds. You'll see them flash, and then the engine starts. It's gonna flash to confirm it started, and there you go. And you can hear the engine running. Now, this may take a couple tries, but you got to see that those lights flash. And like I said, for some reason, Toyota thought it'd be a great idea for, obviously, see, someone attempts to open the door, the vehicle just shut off for whatever reason. So I guess no one's getting into your car or taking off with it or doing anything. Or in case there's maybe it's not in a safe place to drive it. The only reason your remote start will not work is if you have a check engine light on your factory vehicle. It won't allow it to start, or if the battery obviously is too weak, it won't allow it to happen either. So those are two things, but that's how you get your remote start to work with the key fob on your 2022 Toyota Highlander and most other Toyota models. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. But there you go. Thanks for watching, and hope this helped you figure out how to use your remote start. And they will shut off automatically after 10 minutes as well. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you find it helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.